Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today I have something very special. I made my own slime vending machine and here it is. So basically what you do is you pay 25 cents and you can make your own slime for just 25 cents. So I fortunately will not be able to show you guys how I made it, but I will be able to show you how it works. So I'm gonna do it. So first goes in the 25 cents. So you put the 25 cents in, and then here's a trapdoor to get your 25 cents after the customer gets their slime. Then you push and your slime comes out. In this case, this is fluffy slime. So this is the glue with the shaving cream, since I don't have space to make my shaving cream there, like another one of these for my shaving cream. But anyways, I pick a color and it's purple. So here's my purple food coloring. That's my coloring stand. I'm gonna add 2 drops. And here is my spoon, so I can mix. So after I'm done mixing, I could go to my activator stand. I just want to make sure to mix everything in well. So now I can go to my activator stand and push for some activator. So now I just mix until my glue and food coloring become slime. So as you can tell, it's forming. So you keep adding more and more until it is slime. Okay guys, so I'm done with my slime. It's fully activated. This is how it looks like. It's also really stretchy. And don't forget the cap. So here is our 25 cent slime. So anyways, since it's 25 cents, on the top here is the trapdoor and we could get our 25 cents. So yeah, that's it for this video. I will not take credits for this slime machine. I will link the 2 videos that I got it from down below. So make sure to go follow them, like their videos, like our videos, and follow our channel. And comment down below if you would make this. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.